Before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notification from my channel. Welcome to Raj Creations. In this video, I am going to show you neckline embroidery design. Here I am showing you how to draw the neckline on paper. Just mark 3 inches for neck width and neck depth. I am taking 6.5 inches. Draw a box and in between draw a neckline shape, whatever you require. The length of this fabric I have taken 18 inches. From the center point we will draw the lines like this. The width of fabric is 14 inches. It is a 14 by 18 inches of fabric. In this way we have to draw 8 to 10 lines. I have folded this. We have to draw on another side of neckline too. In the center we will draw these V-shaped triangles. We have to fill these with embroidery. This way we have to fill the whole patch for this embroidery. We have to make on both sides. As you can see on fabric I have drawn this. I will make the triangles later on while doing embroidery. Let's begin with embroidery. Here I am using kantha stitch for filling these lines. I have taken 3 strands of thread. This is a very simple and easy stitch. I have already uploaded a video of that in my channel. I will give the link in the description box. Here I am using kantha work for this patch. You can directly do this embroidery on your kurti. Just take small stitches and fill the line with these. You can take a single color thread also, but here I am using multicolor stitches. This way we have to fill all the lines. Now showing you how to make triangle. Always start triangle from the center point so that any discrepancy in design comes on the outer edge of patch. Again we will make a single triangle. This way, after doing kantha work, the whole patch will look like this. Now, I will show you how to fill the triangles. We will fill this with satin stitch. Always start from the center point and we will fill in a vertical manner. Thread has to be moved vertically. First fill one side and then we will proceed towards other side to complete the V or a triangle shape. This is known as satin stitch. Nowadays, kantha patchwork kurtis are in trend, so I decided to show you this. You can make it with a single color thread also. This also gives an elegant look to your kurti. Even a beginner who doesn't know embroidery can try this. Simply fill the lines with thread. If you are new to my channel and like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends and family. This will help me to grow my channel. This way we have to complete the whole V shape. Now showing you the little triangle. In this we will move the thread horizontally. That gives a proper finish and it is easy to make the small motif. You can also give this patch to your tailor to stitch if you don't sew your clothes by yourself. After filling, the whole patch will look like this. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.